The Thump-Thump Mystery. Clara was tucked into her bed, all cozy and warm. Her room was quiet, except for the soft hum of the nightlight. Suddenly, she heard a sound. Thump-thump. The sound came again. Thump-thump. It was louder this time. Clara pulled her blanket up over her head, just in case. She waited, but the sound didn't go away. Thump-thump. She peeked out from under the covers. The sound seemed to be coming from her toy chest. "I'm not scared," she whispered to herself. She took a deep breath. She was going to find out what was making that noise. Clara tiptoed across the room. The thump-thump sound was getting closer. It was definitely coming from the big wooden toy chest. She reached the chest and put her hand on the lid. It was a little bit shaky. She slowly lifted the lid. Inside, a little toy robot was wiggling and bumping against the side. A tiny, shiny bolt had come loose from its arm and was making the thump-thump sound. Clara giggled. The scary sound was just her silly robot. She reached in and carefully picked up the little bolt. She put the bolt back into the robot's arm. It fit perfectly. The wiggling and the thump-thump sound stopped. Clara tucked the robot back into the chest and went back to her bed. She was no longer scared. She was a brave girl who solved the mystery of the thump-thump sound.